Hello everyone, and this is Aslito68 and I'm recording yet another video. This is a Find in Nature archway and I'm doing it in the Crystal Palace, the biggest den ever. Now, I am recording, so, okay, I think 7, whatever, people is enough. Okay then, let's see what people are up to. So we have some eagles here, well, one eagle with party hat. Wow, okay, there's 6 people, but yet I cannot find any of them. Okay, so a lot of eagles here I see. People tend to like eagles because of the shortcuts, and I understand that they're great for taking shortcuts. Okay, everyone, so the nature archway is right over here. As you can see, it's sticking out. Can you see it? Okay, I'm pretty sure you can see it as a land animal too. Okay, hold on. Okay, enchanted frozen ivy's my, what's it? Enchanted frozen ivy's my raccoon. Okay. Whoa, random person appeared. So you can see it from here. That is, if you come. Well, Eagle just skimmed it. I wonder if you found it. Imagine if you didn't see it. That would just be so trolled. Lol. Okay, let's just see in case she found it. Lol. Found it. KK. Oh yay, someone found it. Ah, God. Whoops, wrong animal. Troll. Okay, so what should I send her? I'm gonna send her something okay. What about this? That's not a bad gift. Lol. Did she what? Okay, game over. I can't prize you, unfortunately, because, I can't send. Yes, you are right. Don't worry, the prize isn't that great, people. I just send you one of my unwanted items, which is like long list of them. Hide again, okay. Okay, I'm gonna hide it again. You can see it. From the cave. Whoops. The cave. Okay, how hard can it be to hide a nature archway? Not too hard actually, just like make sure it poofs up in some places. Okay. Lol. Okay, you just missed it. Hiding nature archway. Beep. Okay, wait, maybe I should leave it sticking out a bit. Okay, that's perfect. Now I'm just gonna leave the stream. Okay, done. There's only 2 people. Oh god, done. Okay, I really need a shortcut eagle. Done. Okay. Okay, so now you're gonna go find it. I'm gonna go advertise. Okay, eagle. God. I did this once and like a few people came. Lol. It's so trolled. Okay, 3 people's enough. I do use ours. Is everyone gonna use an eagle? I knew it. Pretty obvious. Okay, no one's found it yet. Pretty surprising. Not really. Well, I picked a pretty good hiding spot, so maybe I should make it stick out a little bit more. Cause oh god, this person's coming here. Never mind. I'm not just gonna make it stick out when this person's here. So should I do hints up here? No. Okay. Whoa. Okay, people. Let me edit my Dan in peace. Okay, good. Stick it out a little bit more. It will the nature archway will reveal itself when it is ready. Haven't you ever noticed there was a strange rock over here that doesn't really fit? Who needs who needs hints? Okay. I bet you everyone's just gonna leave and give up. Lol. Okay, one person here. Come on, if this person leaves, like, then I win. Okay, I am probably gonna win. Oh, what the hey? Ninja much? Okay, that's an awesome. Whoa, lol. I have one person, my in. Okay, this video is probably really long, so I'm gonna like do suspense here and see if she finds it or not. You will never know if she did. So, bye guys. This is probably really boring, but if you found it good, then like, watch some other videos, subscribe if you haven't already, and look out for more exciting ones. So, yeah.